Classificatory. The term classificatory refers to something that is related to classification or categorization. It is used to describe the process of organizing or grouping things based on their similarities or differences. In English, this term is often used in the context of organizing information, objects, or ideas into different classes or categories. For example, in biology, organisms are classified into different kingdoms, phyla, classes, orders, families, genera, and species. This classification system helps scientists organize and understand the diverse range of living organisms on Earth. In this case, the term classificatory can be used to describe the process of categorizing organisms into different classes based on their characteristics. Another example can be found in library science. Librarians use classification systems to organize books and other resources in a library. One of the most widely used systems is the Dewey Decimal Classification, DDC, which categorizes books into 10 main classes, each further divided into subclasses. The classificatory aspect of this system allows library users to easily locate books on specific topics. In linguistics, the classificatory nature of languages can be observed in how words are organized into different categories. For instance, nouns can be categorized into different classes based on their gender, e.g., masculine, feminine, neuter, number, e.g., singular, plural, or case, e.g., nominative, accusative, genitive. This classificatory aspect helps in understanding the structure and grammar of a language. In summary, classificatory refers to the process of classifying or categorizing things based on their similarities or differences. It can be observed in various fields such as biology, library science, and linguistics, where organizing information, objects, or ideas into different classes or categories is essential for better understanding and organization.